Oh guys, you know, when I think of my childhood, a few things spring to mind. Gummy bears, bouncing here and there and everywhere. Wild adventures that are beyond compare. Trolls, those little trolls, their hairstyles. I would put up styles in every single one of those trolls. Third thing, Tinkies. And you know, Marianne's pantry was full of Tinkies. I was so jealous of her house. We didn't have Tinkies at my house. Tinkies challenged me to make something creative out of the new milk tart Tinkies, which is incredible. So today, I bring you Suzelle's Tinkies Tiramisu. You will need half a tub of vanilla ice cream, 250 grams of mascarpone, some cinnamon and some cocoa powder, some strong brewed coffee, there's it. And finally, 10 of the new milk tart flavoured Tinkies. So we're going to open up our Tinkies. Cut our Tinkies like this. I've got an 18 centimeter cake tin with a spring release. Now I'm going to take some plastic wrap and we're going to line our tin. Now we're going to arrange our Tinkies in a beautiful flower shape. Keep going. I'm going to drizzle over some brewed coffee onto each petal. Ice cream, ice cream. Also, childhood memory. We're going to take half a tub of vanilla ice cream, about 3/4 of your mascarpone tub. My milkshake brings the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours because you aren't making a stunning dessert out of Tinkies. Now for a layer of our ice cream mix. Give each Tinky petal a dip in coffee. Pop it in the freezer for about 3 to 5 hours. Our Tinkies Tiramisu is ready. Let's demold. Let's pop it out of the tin. We're going to do a trick with these plates. Place one on top, turn it over. Place another plate. And one more flip. Ta-da! I've taken the leftover mascarpone to create our little icing. Now we dust. Very light dusting of cinnamon. There's it. Oh, Suzelle, you're a genius. DIY, because anybody can make a delicious and fancy dessert out of Tinkies. Oh, Suzelle, you're a genius. I feel like I'm back in the old days, hiding out in Marianne's pantry, only 100 million times better. Special thanks to my BFFs at Tinkies for sponsoring this video. I love you guys, not as much as I love the new milk tart flavour. Remember guys, like and subscribe. Until next time, my friends. Bye!